So how do you use the live translate on the iPhone? Let's explain that. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss explanations and videos like this one. So there are more ways how you want to just translate it in real time. It might be real time using the voice or microphone or using the camera. Both are achievable. Of course, you can use the Apple Translate or Google Translate. So let me show you how it works on the Google app. Obviously, it's free to download from the App Store if you do not have it. But you can open it up and then you can, let's start with the camera, right? You can tap on the camera in the bottom right corner and you can literally just point your camera in different things. You don't even have to like capture the photo or snap the picture. It will just show it to you in real time. So that's very useful. You can just point your camera and some random text and it will be translated. And the cool feature about it is that you can even pick like obviously the language you want to translate from, but even if you don't know, you can choose to detect the language. So you don't even have to like worry about the language you're looking at and it will translate it all. So that's like one way of live translations. It's through the camera. On the other hand, you might also want to be using the voice methods, which you can also do in like real time because obviously you can use your voice to dictate. But if you go to the conversation mode within your Translate app, you can talk to other people in a different language and like the phone will listen to two different languages and at the same time and it will translate it from one language to another. So that's very useful. You pick the two different languages and it will switch back and forth depending on who's speaking, right? So I find that to be very useful. Let me know if that's the thing you are going after. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and explanations like this one, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorial. So stay tuned and I'll see you later.